Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to talk about the best tips and tricks to fix screen time not working on iPhone and iPad. Is the screen time not working properly on your iPhone or iPad? Whether it's not tracking usage, failing to apply restrictions, or not syncing across devices, this issue can be rather frustrating. But don't worry because I have got you covered with some pretty handy fixes. That said, let's get started. So first off, I will recommend you to reset the screen time settings. If the screen time is malfunctioning due to any misconfigurations, resetting will let you resolve the problem. To do so, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone. And then you have to scroll down and select Screen Time. And then you have to turn off the toggle next to Screen Time. After that, you have to restart your device. And once your device has rebooted, you have to go back to the same Screen Time setting and then enable it. And then you have to fine-tune it from scratch. Next up, I will recommend you to sign out and sign back into iCloud on your device. Note that Screen Time syncs through iCloud, and signing out and signing back in can help you refresh its settings. To do so, you have to launch the Settings app on your device, and then you have to tap on the Apple ID banner at the top. After that, you have to scroll down a bit and tap on the Sign Out option. Then you have to make sure to keep a copy of all the important data. And then you have to restart your device and sign back in using your Apple ID and password. And finally, I would recommend you to update the software on your device because I suspect that a software bug is causing the problem and preventing the screen time from functioning properly. To do so, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to choose the General option. Then you have to select the software update option, and then you have to proceed to download and install the latest version of iOS or iPadOS as usual, and that's about it. So these are the best tips and tricks to fix screen time not working problem on iPhone and iPad. Hopefully you have gotten better at the problem and now the screen time has started to work as usual. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks. Now I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.